Okay, so what is grass-fed ghee? Ghee is clarified butter that you have removed the allergens, basically the proteins and the lactose. All those are removed. So people who have dairy allergies, who have lactose intolerance, they can actually digest the ghee and get the health benefits from this beautiful fat. Ghee has high smoke point, so it's wonderful for cooking. And also because it has high fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, it's great for bone health. It's great for inducing immunity in the body. It has high omega-3, omega-9. These are fatty acids, very important for brain development, has high butyric acid. This is a food for the enterocytes in the GI system. If it is grass-fed, it has high beta carotene. And how I know this is a grass-fed, it has to be, the color has to be kind of like golden, yellowish golden color. And of course, when you use grass-fed, you are practicing sustainable agriculture, and also it is an eco-friendly, and it's important for the health of the earth as well. So go on and buy your next grass-fed ghee that is kind of like orangish color.